Under the waters off the coast of Cuba, these coral colonies are getting a reproductive boost through a kind of coral IVF.
Se hace principalmente porque los arrecifes de corales en el mundo entero están teniendo un declive importante y están siendo fuertemente degradados todas las poblaciones de corales.
Warming oceans due to climate change have disrupted the animal's delicate habitat. At least one estimate says 14% of all the corals worldwide have disappeared since 2009. But coral conservationists say the damage is likely higher.
Suffice to say, it's severe, it's universal across the reefs around the world.
To ensure the coral have a chance to procreate, scientists from the National Aquarium in Cuba do the delicate work of gathering egg and sperm samples during spawning season, which takes place just once a year, sometimes in just a matter of hours.
Básicamente lo que hacemos es colectar los gametos en medio natural de diferentes colonias.
Hoping to encourage fertilization, the samples are mixed together, then placed in incubators, creating human embryos not all that different.
In one sense, it's very similar in terms of the technique, the steps that we do. What's very different, of course, is the biology of the parents.
Launched in 2019, the Cuba project has seen success, resulting in 3 farms where the new life starts to take hold.
The assisted reproduction of coral reefs is actually an opportunity to fight back to the corals due to the climate change. This is basically a way to help us to the recovery of the benthic coverage in coral reefs ecosystems.
The technique achieving a more than 90% fertilization rate, according to the scientists, who say that's even more fruitful than Mother Nature's hand alone.
Muy bien.
Once viable and visible under a microscope, the coral offspring are attached to pieces of old clay tiles, then dropped back into the ocean and strung alongside each other, left to grow and repair damaged areas of coral reef. But the work doesn't end there.
Are these efforts enough to turn the tide, so to speak, on the damage that's already been done?
Absolutely not. The global impacts with climate are completely devastating, and they absolutely need to be fixed if we want corals to survive into the future.
Valerie Castro, NBC News.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.